In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently remove items from your shopping cart on Temu.com. Whether you've decided you no longer need that extra pair of sunglasses or you've had a change of heart about that trendy jacket, clearing your cart is a simple process. Let's walk through it together, step by step, to ensure you can do it with ease. First, you'll need to head over to Temu.com. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL temu.com. Hit enter, and once the site loads, you'll need to log in. Look for the login option at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your credentials, your email and password, and click the login button. It's always a good idea to make sure you're using the correct login information to ensure a smooth entry into your account. Once you're logged in, your next action is to locate the shopping cart icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. It usually looks like a small shopping cart or bag icon, typically with a number indicating how many items you currently have in there. Click on this icon and you'll be taken directly to your shopping cart where all the items you've added are listed. Here comes the moment we've all been waiting for. In your cart, scroll through the list of items to locate the one you wish to remove. This could be anything from clothing to gadgets, or maybe an impulse purchase you're now reconsidering. No matter what it is, as soon as you find that item, direct your attention to the right side of it. You're specifically looking for a small icon or button that resembles either the word remove or a trash bin. Both signals indicate the removal option for any given product. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on the remove button or the trash bin icon. This action is crucial as it initiates the process of taking that item out of your shopping cart. Now, sometimes a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm this action. This is a safety feature to make sure you haven't clicked on it by accident. Simply confirm your decision to remove the item. This ensures that it's no longer in your cart and you won't be accidentally purchasing it when you eventually proceed to check out with your remaining items. And there you have it. You've successfully removed an item from your Temu.com cart. It's as easy as that. Managing your online shopping cart effectively helps avoid accidental purchases and keeps your cart organized. Now you can shop with confidence, knowing how easy it is to change your mind and update your cart accordingly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping.